right here.
Test, test. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready.
Hey everyone, Jeremy and Dan here with Nisswa Marine, and everybody's been asking Dan, where's the open water up here in the lakes area? Well, we have open water right here at Nisswa Marine, Dan.
Well, all jokes aside, we actually are just days away from open water here in the Brainerd Lakes area, and we're all smiles because this weekend we're having a spring open house. It's going to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Bring everyone on in. Let's take a look at some boats. We're going to have all of our models inside our 2 indoor heated showrooms, some out in the parking lot. Come take advantage of our prices, come take advantage of our in-house incentives. It's a great time to look, and we're looking forward to hopefully getting you guys on your dream boat for this summer.
That's right, we're gonna stomp out the snow and the ice up here in the Brainerd Lakes area this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll see you here for our spring open house at Nisswa Marine. Oh, you gotta move.
I told them.
No, that's part of the video. Jeez, part of our prop.